What if the President of the United States had to communicate using ham radio? No telephone, no internet, no social media, just a microphone and the airwaves? Let's talk about it. Hey there, welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX, where we live, learn, and transmit every day. Let's ask a real question today. What would happen if someone like President Donald Trump had to rely on ham radio to get a message out? And more importantly, would it even work? Picture this. Something major happens. The grid goes down. Internet is gone. Cell towers? Nah, they're dead. No X, no Facebook, no TV, and suddenly the only way to communicate long distance is radio. Now you've got leadership, any leadership, trying to reach out or trying to reach the country. No press conferences, no live streams, just RF. Here's what most people don't realize. Ham radio doesn't rely on infrastructure the way everything else does. No servers, no centralized systems, no big tech, just RF, power, propagation, equipment, and the operators. That's it. And in a situation like that, the entire communications network becomes decentralized. It becomes, well, us. But here's the catch. Ham radio isn't built for top-down messaging. There's no broadcast to everyone instantly button. Messages would move operator to operator, station to station, across the country, one relay at a time. Slow? Maybe. But resilient? Absolutely. Now, here's the part that people tend to overlook. No algorithms, no shadow bans, no curated feeds, just real people passing real information over the air. It's raw, and in a weird way, it's how communication used to work before everything got centralized. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, okay, I'd want to be part of that network, then you've got to get licensed first. That's the first step. And honestly, one of the easiest ways to do that right now is with Ham Radio Prep. HamRadioPrep.com, folks. They've taken what used to be a confusing, frustrating process and made it simple. You can study at your own pace and actually understand the material and get your license without all the headache. I've got a link down in the description, HamRadioPrep.com. And if you use my coupon code, HamShackTV, you're going to get 10% off. They're already great prices at checkout. Appreciate Ham Radio Prep's support of HamShackTV. Back to the video. This isn't just some hypothetical situation. We've actually seen it. We've seen it with hurricanes, severe weather, infrastructure failures. When everything else goes down, radio doesn't. It's not flashy. It's not modern looking, but it works. Pardon me. So whether it's Donald Trump or any future president, if the system fails, communication doesn't come from big tech anymore. It comes from the people. Who knows how to use the airwaves? And that's exactly why ham radio still matters. All right, guys, we'll wrap this thing up here. What do you think? It's your turn. Tell me what you think. Could something like this actually happen? And would ham radio step up if it did? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear it. And if you're not licensed yet, now might be the time. Subscribe for more Ham Radio Real Talk. And I invite you to live, learn, transmit. Welcome to the Shack. We'll see you in the next video, guys. 73 AA4WX WSCB 693.